I just thought I'd pop on and talk about this average mortgage rate over the 5-year fixed rate mortgage rate for the UK since the year 2000. Let's look at some of the numbers, and I'll talk about that in a minute. Here we are here. So here's the graph I want to discuss. So this is the mapping of the UK average 5-year fixed rate mortgage deal since the year 2000. Look at it, it was up at 7% for a 5-year fixed rate deal in 2000. And it has never been any higher since. See that as it maps all the way out. 2003, it was down at round about just about 4.75, jumped back up to 5.5, and then back up to 6% in 2007. Crash came along, and then it started to tumble back into 2021 when the average 5-year fixed rate mortgage was 1.75. God, that's a good deal, eh? And then suddenly the boom came along and mortgage rates started to go up since then, and then it started to climb as a result because base rates started to go up. So this graph actually illustrates the 5-year average, as I said, mortgage in the UK since 2000, highlighting significant fluctuations over these years, over the past 2 decades. Following the credit crunch, the mortgage rates experienced a considerable decline, as you can see there, reaching historic lows in the subsequent years. However, recent economic conditions and inflationary pressures have caused sharp increases in those rates. Despite this increase, current rates remain well below the peaks of the 1990s, which were 14.88% 5-year fixed rate deal in the 1990s. Imagine taking out a 5-year fixed rate deal today at 14.88%. It puts the frighteners on you straight away, doesn't it? Even bear thinking about that. But that's what it was in the 1990s for a 5-year fixed rate deal. So the importance of mortgage rates can't be overstated when you look at this graph since for the last 24 years. But it's never been any higher since the year 2000, because the year 2000 it was 7%. So it's never really been any higher. So I think that's the importance of the mortgage rates. It cannot really be overstated as the direct influence on the affordability of the property purchases and the broader health of the housing market itself. The Bank of England's anticipated rate cuts next month are promising prospective buyers as lower mortgage rates can significantly reduce monthly repayments, making home ownership accessible for all. For those interested in discussing the Fife property market and how these changes might impact their particular plans, please feel free to reach out to us. Our messenger, contact one of our numbers, or maybe email us direct, and give us a call, and we can help you navigate through this financial shifts at this best point in time and find you the best opportunities overall. Until next time, guys, it's bye-bye for now.